Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some country style farmhouse decorating ideas. Let's take a look. Country style farmhouse decor embraces a warm, cozy aesthetic that often includes rustic elements, natural materials, and vintage touches. Here are some practical tips for achieving a country-style farmhouse decor style in your home. Use practical accessories, functional decor. Items like wooden cutting boards, oven baskets, and vintage crates not only serve a purpose but also enhance the aesthetic. Old iron and metal accents. Consider adding hooks, candle holders, or light fixtures in old iron for a rustic touch. Create a cozy atmosphere. Lighting. Use warm, soft lighting with table lamps, string lights, or lantern-style fixtures to create a welcoming environment. Fireplace decor. If you have a fireplace, decorate the mantel with candles, seasonal decor, or family pictures. Personal touches. Seasonal decor. Change small decor items with the seasons, like pumpkins in fall, greenery in winter, and fresh flowers in spring. Opt for vintage lighting fixtures, candlelights and pendant lights. Choose fixtures made of old iron, wood, or glass to add rustic charm. Vintage lanterns can also create a cozy ambience. Create cozy nooks, reading corners. Design it a small area with a comfortable chair, a side table, and a lamp for a relaxing reading nook. Add a throw blanket for warmth. Window seats. If possible, add a window seat with cushions where you can enjoy natural light and views. Incorporate farm-inspired decor. Farm animal motifs. Use decor featuring chickens, cows, or sheep in art prints, textiles, or kitchenware to emphasize the farmhouse theme. Vintage tools and implements. Hang old tools, crates, or barn doors as wall art or functional decor. Mix old and new, modern elements. Pair contemporary pieces with rustic ones to create contrast. A sleek modern sofa can look great with an antique coffee table. New fabrics with vintage patterns. Use modern fabrics with traditional patterns like gingham or floral to breeze styles. Showcase handcrafted items, handmade pottery, or textiles. Incorporate artisanal items such as pottery, oven baskets, or foils to emphasize craftsmanship and authenticity. Dye projects. Consider creating your own decor items upcycled furniture. Choose functional storage solutions. Baskets and buckets. Use open baskets for organizing clothes, magazines, or toys, while adding texture to the space. Wooden crates. Repurpose wooden crates for stylish storage and display. They can serve as side tables or decorative shelves. Create a farmhouse garden, outdoor space. If you have a yard, consider planting a vegetable garden or flower beds. Use plastic planters or repurposed containers for a cohesive look. Incorporate a chalkboard wall or sign. Use a chalkboard for menus, messages, or art. It adds a touch of farmhouse charm and is a great way to stay organized. Add warmth with textiles. Layering truss. Use a variety of truss in different fabrics and colors on sofas or beds to create warmth and visual interest. Table linens. Use checked or floral tablecloths and napkins for a charming dining experience. Use a neutral palette with pops of color. Accent colors while maintaining a neutral base. Add pops of color through accessories like cushions, artwork, or seasonal decor. Earthy tones like greens, blues, or muted reds work well. Create a welcoming entryway, mudroom or entryway table. Use hooks for coats, baskets for shoes, and a small bench for convenience. Decorate with a farmhouse style sign or a potted plant. Seasonal grids. Hang a simple grid on the front door to greet guests and reflect the changing seasons. Embrace imperfection. Celebrate patina. Choose items that show wear and tear. Distressed finishes or antique furniture can add authenticity and charm. Mix textures. Don't be afraid to mix smooth and rough textures for a more dynamic, layered look. Use repurposed items. Creative repurposing. Transform old items into new decor, such as using an old ladder as a bookshelf or a vintage door as a table. Unique displays. Consider using vintage suitcases or wooden crates for storage and display purposes, adding character to your space. Accessories with natural elements. Use stone, twigs, or pine cones as decorative accents in bowls or vases. Seasonal decor. Change decor elements with the seasons by using autumn leaves, winter evergreens, or spring flowers. Incorporate drastic wall treatment, shiplap or board and batten, Install cheap or board and pattern on walls for a classic farmhouse look. It adds texture and depth to your rooms. Accent walls. Consider a wallpaper with a subtle pattern or wood paneling to create a focal point in a room. Install bands, functional and stylish. Use sliding bands for closets or rooms to create a rustic focal point and save space. Customizable. Choose wood finishes that match your exciting decor for a cohesive look. Utilize vintage trunks, storage and seating. Use vintage trunks as storage solutions that double as coffee tables or bins. Decorative touches. Stack trunks in a corner for a layered look, adding warmth and texture. Incorporate family heritage. Display heirlooms. Showcase family heirlooms such as coins, tools, or art pieces to add a personal story to your decor. Mix different styles. Farmhouse with industrial. Combine farmhouse decor with industrial elements like metal furniture or light fixtures for a modern twist. Thanks for watching the video.